Hi, dear friends. Welcome to Grammar Guru Peedom. Now, please meet Krishna, Sheetal, and Jain.
Hey, I like ice cream.
This direct speech. Why? Because here Krishna speaks to Sheetal directly. Krishna said to Sheetal, "Hey, I like ice cream." Look at Jain. He passively listens to what Krishna says. He's not an active participant of this conversation. Later, Jain meets Google. Imagine that Google is going to invite Krishna for dinner and he tells this to Jain. Suddenly, Jain remembers what he heard when Krishna spoke to Sheetal and he tells this to Google.
Krishna told Sheetal that he liked ice cream.
This is indirect speech. Why? Step 1. Krishna speaks to Sheetal directly. Krishna said to Sheetal, "Hey, I like ice cream." Step 2. Jain passively listens to their conversation. Step 3. Later, he narrates or reports what he heard to Google. Krishna told Sheetal that he liked ice cream. This is exactly why we have newspaper reports and TV reports. The reporters observe or witness incidents, but they are not part of those incidents. Later, they report what they saw or heard through their media. This is one of the most common real life applications of reported speech. And of course, there are many more. Now, can you spot some differences between direct speech and indirect speech? Look closely. What changes do you notice? See the changes? Said became told. Like became liked. And we also added a new word, that. Do you know why? Comment your answers below. And can you spot more differences? Share them in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. We'll meet soon in the next video. Until then, take care and bye for now.